Hey guys, it's LT here to bring you a little motivation because this is just what I love to do. Today what I want to talk to you about is energize. Energize equals lifestyle. Again, energize equals lifestyle. Well, LT, why would you say energize equals lifestyle? When you have the energy to do whatever you want to do, you're not limited. You're not held back because you're too tired. So by living a healthy lifestyle, it energizes you and allows you to do all the things you really want to do. Because if you don't have the energy, it doesn't matter how bad you want to do something. If you don't have the energy, you just won't do it. But by your working out, being healthy, eating healthy, it's giving you the energy to play with your kids, to go even harder with your career. Also giving you energy to also have fun, because fun requires energy. So if you don't have the energy to have fun, you're not going to have fun. You're just going to go home and relax. So that's why you need to start working out and eating healthy right away to be able to help you out, give you the energy that's needed to enjoy life, to go play with your kids, to work hard on your career. You're going to be empowered, but you're going to be energized because you're going to have the energy to do it. So try it for yourself. Just try it. Give yourself a couple weeks and see, won't it make a difference? It will make a difference in your lifestyle. You're going to have more fun. You're going to be able to play with your kids longer. You're going to be able to have more energy to put towards your career. Whatever you're trying to do, living a healthy lifestyle is going to help do it. So it's L2LT Fit. Give it a try. All it takes is a couple weeks and you will notice a difference. It's L2LT Fit. Have a great day.